Hey Bonner Bears, welcome back to Friday Shared Reading. We are reading Munch Lunch this week. So today I will be reading the words that are blue, and then all on your own you are going to be reading the words that are purple. And then we will identify the pattern of the story in there, and then you will be creating your own story today. You can illustrate it any way you want. You will be adding character in there and then something crunchy that they eat. All right, again, I will be reading the blue words and you will be reading the purple words. Go ahead. Good munch, lunch. Munch, munch. What's for lunch? Your turn. Okay. Munch, munch. What's for lunch? Okay. Munch, munch. What's for lunch? 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 Let's read this together. Run, run, run. Good work today reading. I love to hear your voices as you were reading those words. So today we are going to identify the rhyme, or I'm sorry, not the rhyme. We will identify the pattern that was in the story. We have munch, munch. What's for lunch? The character, all the different characters has a, and then they have their food, crunch, crunch, crunch. So today you are going to create your own part of the story. So we're going to add a different character in the story, and we can put the name of the character here. And then we're going to put something that they are eating for their lunch. Something, remember, all these food had something in common. What were they? They were all crunchy food. So you can think about a food maybe that will be crunchy, and think about a character that you could add to that wonderful story. Can you come up with one? Why don't you brainstorm for 30 seconds and start thinking about a character we could add to the story, and then a crunchy food that they could also bring on the picnic with them. Here is my illustration. Munch, munch, what's for lunch? The frog has a fly. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Right, now it's your turn. I can't wait to see your character that you add to the story and a crunchy food that they can also eat. All right, I can't wait to see your beautiful illustrations, Bonner Bears. Thanks again for reading this wonderful story with me. I'll see you all next week. Bye.